So we about to go ahead and get into it. Working on the table. We've been doing a couple projects so far, but I think this might be our staple piece today. All right, so look at your girl now. Get your girl. Pregnant, yeah. So got the tools out in the garage. Let's go see what's going on. You ready, babe? Game time. About to take this and turn it into our new table. These are some crates, some boxes that we picked up from Lowe's, and a little piece of board. You'll see what I do with that. So we actually have wheels, some rustic wheels to put on it. Give it a little rustic look on the bottom. And of course, the screws, which hopefully I got the right size. We'll see. And it's 4 crates. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Okay, I got everything that I need. I also have some stain here. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna stain the boxes.
I sand it.
What we're gonna do, Autumn?
Sand the boxes.
Pregnant, just sitting down, giving the shots. Yeah, we're gonna sand the boxes first. Then we're gonna stain. That's if they need sanding. These are actually pretty smooth-ish. But I'm gonna get some little sander out. Maybe she can do that. But yeah. So the plan is to cut a 2x4 to be able to mount the wheels on the bottom, and also add some height to it. And first thing, I gotta just prepare the space. So that might be one of the most important things. You wanna make sure you got some circulation. So we're in the garage, but we also have a fan running at the same time. So I'm gonna walk you through my setup. All right. Got the fan, Bruno, plastic wrap, which I'm about to spread out. Got my little makeshift cutting table for the 2x4, and all of everything I'm gonna need. So even got some gloves and some socks. I'm gonna use them socks to stain the board. They got a couple holes in them. Yeah.
Kid, major.
Day 2 working on the coffee table, and welcome back. So I'm out here. I'm going to show you the garage, my little setup. We sanded the boxes yesterday. It took a little break. It was rainy, and we wanted to be able to open up the garage about halfway so we can get some ventilation, because we're going to be using stain, and anytime you're dealing with any type of paint, I always say you be protected, so we need proper ventilation. We cut a piece of 2x4 in the 4 blocks. We're going to use those to mount underneath the coffee table. It's going to give it some height, and we're going to be able to add the wheels to it, so the table will be able to move freely around the carpet or what have you, if we have to vacuum or anything. And we cut out a little centerpiece, because once you put the crates in a geometrical shape, then it's going to be an opening in the very middle. And we wanted to fill that so that we could have that be our centerpiece holder. And you'll see all of that here. They're sanded, they're ready to go. Got the garage halfway open, ventilation. All the blocks, that wood, all that is going to get some stain. That's right. And this is the stain we're using right here. So it's very thin, penetrating wood stain. We're gonna go with the classic gray that matches most of the decor in our home. We try to stay with this lighter woody tone, and hopefully it looks great. You see what they look like now, and this is gonna be added to it. Stay tuned. What's up, y'all? So finished putting the first coat on the stain. I think it might be enough. We're just gonna seal it and shine it with some water-based polyurethane, sand it down, get it smooth. Right now I'm about to put this bad boy together. Let's take a look. So I just finished the first round of screws. They were just 1-inch screws, and I fixed them to this side right here. pretty sturdy. 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side through this part, except on that side. And look at that, sturdy. I'm going nowhere. You see the screws right there. So now let's attach the rest of this baby. Stay tuned. Okay, every side is assembled for the table. It already looked like at least a $200 table, at least 200. I'm trying to get it to 500 coffee table level. So I'm about to flip it, put the wheels on the bottom. Then we're gonna do some staining and recoating. Yep. I just put the wheels on and flipped it over. Had to blow all the sawdust off of it. But it looks good, man. Custom crate, coffee table. We about to polish it, sand it, might even throw a couple fixtures on it. And that's it, man. I gotta put that centerpiece in. I got a nice little trick I do for that. Storage on the side, every side. So you can put those little cubbies, those little $3 cubbies at Walmart, slide one of those in there if you like. Or just dress it up, put some greenery in it. That's it, man. Total project, maybe. The wheels, they came in at about $8. Crates, maybe about 50 bucks. That's 4 crates. Yeah, and then if you already got the tools, you good. You know, the screws I probably spent about $10 too, but $80, man, and it's about to be literally a $250 plus table when we're done sanding it, polishing it, and you'll see how it's gonna work great into our crib. Thanks for watching, guys.